Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm glad you're here. I've got my little here with me. Mia just celebrated her 13th birthday. My last little baby is a teenager and she wanted some birthday nails, and that's what we're gonna give her. So I'm gonna prep her cuticles first. I am using a flame bit on my e-file. I'm in the forward position going about 7,000 RPM. And I'm doing this because we're gonna put on some no-tip extensions. This kind of just came to me. What happened was, I feel like that's my catchphrase. What happened was, so Danni and Toni, you probably have seen them a bunch on my channel. They do the gel nail wraps, right? They just sent over transparent, clear gel wraps. And I'm like, what am I gonna do with these? And then I'm like, I think I have an idea. And my daughter initially said she wanted just clear glossy nails, and I'm like, okay, but let's see if this will work. So as you're gonna see, I'm gonna get her nails dusted off, and then I'm gonna show you these wraps completely clear, like gel top coat. And you can use them in lieu of a gel top. You can put these over nail art, over other wraps, over whatever you want. They do cure in a lamp, and they cure completely hard. And I'm gonna use them to build temporary small extensions that I can do whatever I want over them. And if you wanted to, you could polish over these, which I'm going to do. You'll see the finished look here in a little bit. You can put dip powder over them. I think this is a temporary thing though. If you want just extensions for like a day or two, this would be perfect and so easy. You don't need glue, you don't need gel, you don't need tips, you don't need anything. All you need are the clear nail wraps, and you're going to see exactly how I do it. I do find it super easy with these because they're clear. I can fit them the best I can to my daughter's nails, and as you can see, they are super flexible and stretchy. If you need to customize these to your own nail bed or cuticle area shape, you totally can. So I'm going to stick it on there, make sure it's completely on the entire nail from sidewall to sidewall. Then I'm going to clip off a little bit of the excess, leaving just the slightest free edge, so she has a little bit more nail estate. She feels like she has longer nails, and she was super happy with these. I can't say anything negative. Thought they were super easy to work with. I feel like they're so versatile. You can use them in so many different ways, and she liked them, which is all I really care about at the end of the day. If the birthday girl is happy, I'm happy. So once you have it on the nail and you clip off your excess, you're going to want to cure this. I cured it for a full minute. I don't think it needs that much time. Probably 30 seconds would suffice, but I did a full minute, and I'm going to do another nail before I cure. I'm doing 2 at a time. I'm living kind of on the edge today, but then I'll do the entire hand off camera. You'll see the finished look. I'll show you what it looks like with gel polish over it here in just a bit. So this is my favorite part, hands down, about the gel nail wraps. I mean, they have some beautiful gel nail wraps, but I love the fact that after they cure, they're super hard and you can file them. You can file them. I'm going to file these into a nice square nail shape for Mia. I'm going to take a little bit of length off the free edge, cut in that sidewall a little bit because these did flare out just a hair, but that's because my daughter's got her unique nail shape, just like all of us do. So I'm going to customize these to her nails, her desired nail shape. I'm going to do the rest of the hand. So here's the rest of the hand done with the extensions. They are looking great, and we did go ahead and add a little bit of gel polish. I only did 2 coats of gel polish, and that was it. And this is her finished birthday set. I hope you guys found this interesting. You can do tips with just about anything, even gel nail wraps. And as mentioned, I don't believe these would last a long time because they are gel. Unless you were to dip over them or throw builder gel on top of them, they may last a little longer. For her, she's still wearing them. She's 2 days in right now, so we'll see how long they last. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.